What's going on, guys? We're going to learn how to limit the bandwidth of each user using their IP address. What we're going to do is let's try to check our bandwidth first. Let's go to speedtest.net and try to check our bandwidth. Click go. Try to check this one. Alright, so that's my internet speed. It's going 200 plus. Go a download speed of 213. And let's also wait and check our upload speed. Show me something. Okay, we are above 200 download and upload. Let's go back to our pfSense. And the first thing we're going to do is go to firewall and then go to Traffic Shaper and then create limiters. We need to create two limiters, one for the in and one for the out. Let's try to limit my IP up to 3 MB. 3 MB limit in. That would be the name. Now I'll just put here 3 MB. Let that be. Let that be. Save this one. Apply. And I'm going to create another one. That will be 3 MB limit out. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and then scroll down here, save this one up. Oh yeah, sorry, we did not put this one. 3 MB, and then scroll down, save, apply. So you can see here 3 MB limit in, 3 MB limit out. The next thing we're going to do is go to firewall and create a rule. Let's go to rules and then make sure to go to LAN, and then let's create a rule here up. Once we're here, we make sure the interface is LAN, the address family is IPv4, and the protocol would be any. And then source. The source would be my IP address. If you want to limit a group of IP, you create an alias. Okay, so let's try to show you that one first. Now, the good thing about alias is you can group IP address. For example, this one. IP, I'm going to add name, let's say accounting, office accounting, and then office of accountants. Okay, and then try to say host. If we say host, these are IP addresses. So let's say we have IP address 192.168.200.50. This is your head. Okay, you can add another host. I'm just showing you how you can group IP address 8.200.100. This is actually my IP and then me. Okay, so you can add more here and save this one. Go back to our firewall. And then rules, LAN, I'm going to check that one again, add. So pass, LAN, protocol, any. So you can select here, you can select the whole address of your LAN, or you can create a selected IP. Now if you put this one here, you can put your, if you want to limit an IP address only, I can put my IP address here, 192.168.200.100. However, we created an alias, so we can put the alias here. Accounting. So this is the name of the alias. So every IP that you put in the accounting alias would be affected with this rule. Okay, so destination, that would be okay. And then description, let's try to see limit per IP. And then click the advanced here. Okay, and scroll down here below. You can see in and out pipe. Let's put the limiter here. Limiter in and limiter out. Once that's done, we're good to go. Apply. The next thing we're going to do is reload the filter so that it's going to work right away. Click that one and then reload that one. Let's try it again. Click that one, reload. I'm sure that's already reloaded. Let's go back to speed test and try to do the speed test again. So I'm just going to refresh this one so that we'll try. So go again. Let's try that one. It should be working. Okay, so you can see there we are ranging from 2.8, 2 point something, nearly 3 MB. Okay, let's just wait for the upload also. This should be working on the upload. Okay, let's try the upload. There you go. The upload is also 3, at least within that range. Okay, so that's how you are going to limit the IP addresses bandwidth on your network. If you have any questions, you just let me know and I'll help you out. Just hit the subscribe button and then share this to your friends. Bye-bye. See you next time.